Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Mike Green. I'm one of the owners of 1A Auto. I want to help you save time and money repairing and maintaining your vehicle. I'm going to use my 20 plus years experience restoring and repairing cars and trucks like this to show you the correct way to install parts from 1AAuto.com. The right parts installed correctly. That's going to save you time and money. Thank you and enjoy the video.
Okay, so if you've removed your, or you've done some work on your door hinges, like you replaced the hinge pins, you probably removed the spring that helps to stabilize the door. This video, we're going to show you the kind of the homemade way to put that spring back in. You'll need 3 zip ties per spring, a razor knife, and a vise.
The spring back in there. And wait till you see the magic I came up with for this. Okay, so this is my mini spring compressor. Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in a vise and I'm going to squeeze it down and tighten up all these wire ties, okay, which will shrink the spring down, and then I'm going to put it in there and cut the ties and it'll be in place. So next time you see this, it's going to be shrunk down, and I'm going to be handling it quickly. I've done this a couple times. The wire ties have never failed. In fact, it takes a little bit for even the last wire tie to fail when you cut the first 2. So, but obviously, when this is all compressed, you don't want to be holding it like this and sticking it in there. You always want to hold it like this. That way, if it pops, it just kind of pops this way. Okay, so here's my spring compressed down. Okay, I'm going to stick it in there. I want to try and stick it in there so I can cut 2 of the things, and that's a good, I actually want to cut these off so don't get in my way too much. Obviously you can see I'm kind of handling it at arm's length. Okay, so I'm going to stick this up in there. Where this worked no problem last time. Okay, so now it's up in there. I can spin it a little bit so that I can get a pretty good lock on 2 of the things. Okay, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to close it a little bit. That actually presses the spring some, and then I'm going to use a razor knife and cut the plastic wire ties. Well enough here. Try and spin it some. Well, gonna have to do. I've got 2 of them cut now, and you should be able to just do it a couple times, and the third one will break eventually on its own. Now the third one's still holding on, but it's going to break eventually, and once it breaks, the spring just pops into place.
We hope this helps you out. Brought to you by www.1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll-free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.